Hi everybody, Mike Pfeiffer. Today Robin and I are outside working in the yard. She's mostly doing work in the yard. However, I did manage to get out here and level up the G-scale, and I have it running for the first time in several years. Had to clean the switches, the switch machines actually. I only have two in their manual, but they were full of dirt and stuff. Anyways, I'm going to give you a peek here at the G-scale. At some point in time, where those big rocks are there, I'm going to dig out the gravel there just a little bit and put a riverbed in there, and then right where the train is right now, the caboose is actually, there'll be a little tiny bridge there, just a shallow bridge that goes over the creek that'll just run down and dead end over there. But I'm just going to pan around with the train here. And where these chairs are here and little table, there's an electric plug here that goes out to the shed. But I'm gonna build a little, maybe a 6x6 or something pad there, more or less like I did with the small shed here, the small garden shed that houses the G-scale stuff. And then a little gazebo over the top so we can sit out here when the weather's hot. This little deal here we bought at Lowe's actually, and it's kind of nifty. And I put it right here by the G-scale because one of the problems we've always had is that the stuff is way on the other side of the yard in a shed. So I bought this and I put some shelving in here, and now I can put some of the buildings and some of the cars and stuff, and it's just a little bitty G-scale layout, so I don't have a lot of equipment. Some of this stuff was given to me. These little bridge deals here I'm going to mount to a piece of wood, and that's what'll be the bridge over there underneath over the small riverbed. My poor little steam locomotive, I don't even know if it still runs. I had to put a Northwest short line metal gear in it because, as some of you G-scalers know, they're famous for splitting the gears, and you have to disassemble the entire locomotive to get to it. So after the second time, I said to heck with that, and I put a metal gear in it, and it's been running good ever since, but haven't tried it for a while. But anyways, I'm going to try and put a camera on the train and see if I can get some video of this thing going around. Well, the 280 does run, sort of. Needs wheels cleaned, but I did get it running. Still chugging along. I don't know, it's probably 10 or 15 years old, I would imagine. And hasn't been running quite some time. Also in my own road name. I think some of you have seen it before. But anyways, just proof that it runs. Well, okay everybody, just a short little video on the ACT G-Scale. And I'm going to try and get this video on today. It's been kind of sacrilege. I've been out here working on the G-Scale and I'm not watching the Daytona 500, but I am recording it, so hopefully I don't see what happens at the end and I can go and play it all back. But anyway guys, as always, thanks for watching and we'll see you the next time.